Hi friends, today I have come up with a haul. Basically those products which we all require at home when we are at home. In this pandemic situation we are not able to go to the parlors and other things. So I thought that some kind of self-pampering kits that I have bought. So I just thought I will share it with you people. First I have heard so much about this Mamaearth product. So I thought that I will use this Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron from Mamaearth. This is really good. I have been using it for the last 10-15 days and it has really helped me clear my old marks and other things. So this is one product I will also recommend you to buy. This is the scrub, same thing with turmeric and walnut. This is Upton face scrub of Mamaearth. This also removes tan and it's really good. I use it once a week. For the last 15 days I've been using it. I have used it twice and it's really good, this one also. It removes the tan also, so it's really good. Another thing that I want, since we are not able to do any facial or anything, so I went and bought this Mamaearth Upton face mask. So I have used it once and it really gave me a change, but I have to use it more to recommend it. But it's this Upton mark is with turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. It suited my skin. It's for basically skin brightening. And I also bought this massage cream. It's a very normal massage cream. I have not yet used it. It's some company called Oxyglow. This I bought from Nykaa. This is basically fruit massage cream with vitamin E. I have not yet used it. I will use it in a couple of days time. My daughter is coming. I'm going to do a facial with her. So I will use it and then I will give you a feedback of this. Next I bought a foot massage cream. We are not able to do any pedicure, manicure because we are not even able to cut the urban club people. So I have a very dry feet. I used to put coconut oil in it. It's so hot. I just bought this cream. It is this cream is from Vadi Herbals foot cream with clove oil and sandalwood. So I have not yet used it. I will be using it every night. It's just came yesterday, this product. This is also from Nykaa. So I have to try it out and I will then give you a feedback on this. Just because I wanted to I have not been able to do pedicure. This I bought from Nykaa. This is a pedicure set. It has everything. In fact, it has a small blade also with it, 3 blades. It is very cute. This blade sizes are very cute, very small compared to the normal size. It has everything in it, right from scrubber, skin peeler, and everything. I will be requiring this, so you people can buy this. I have used couple of things in this. I use this every day before when I take bath. So when I do a pedicure, I will be requiring all these things. I will show it to you. But it came in this kind of a plastic package and it was not packed properly. Next is this vitamin E, the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is a cream which I have been using for the last 15-20 days. This I bought from Nykaa. This is quite good. Just after taking a bath, I just use it basically to hydrate my skin. Since we are all at home, we don't use sunscreen. So I use this to just keep my skin hydrated because my skin is getting quite dry nowadays. This is it. And you know what? All of us since we are not able to go to the parlor or call the urban club people, I bought this. I have not used it. I have to try it out. In a couple of days I will try. This is basically facial back strips. This is from Hip Hop. This also I bought it from Nykaa. This looks quite interesting. I'll just show you. It looks like band-aid, It's basically to take away the upper lip and chin hairs. So let me use it and I will give you a feedback on this. This is good, really. It would help all the ladies who have my kind of problem. This is around 99 rupees. Quite cheap, yeah? Quite good. Looks good. Let me see. And one thing I have been suffering during this every year monsoon I have this problem of major hair fall. So I bought this. I had reheard so many good things about this WOW skin shampoo, red onion seed oil extract with black seed oil and pro vitamin B5. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Along with it, I got a 50 ml conditioner free. It's here somewhere. Yeah, it's here. It's a small conditioner. I got this free. In fact, it would have been good if they had given us their oil. Since I'm buying conditioner, they could have given me their WOW hair oil, which I didn't buy. This is also good. I have not yet tried it. I will try it and let you know. I just got it yesterday, so I will try it and then I will let you know. This is also from Nykaa. Next, I bought this. My daughter was talking about this. This is lip and cheek tint. This can be used in the lips and also in the cheeks. Even you can use it as a eyeshadow. This I've taken it in 2 shades. In fact, I was looking for this in Nykaa and I found out that one of this cost $6.99 in Nykaa. But what I did is I just went to Just Herbs website, and in this I found out that when you buy for one is $6.99, when you buy 2 you get it for $7.99, and I could not resist this offer. So I bought 2 colors. If I can, I will give it to my daughter one of this color. I have bought it in, it doesn't say the color. This 2 color, one is like a pinkish color, the other is this is little bit darker than that. So this 2 looks, both are pinkish shade. So I think I will give one to my daughter and I will keep one for myself. With this, it's $7.99. I got 2 things which is very nice with that. These people are really good, Just Herbs. I got this small Bringraj hair oil bottle free, and this moisturizer, small moisturizer also came with it. Let me see, I used this brinjal oil today morning before shampooing. I mixed this with the coconut oil and I used it. Let me see and how it is. And one very good thing I purchased, I have not used it. I will use it and give you a feedback of this. This is a Pro Wax professional use only. This is for basically waxing. As usual, we are not able to get anyone from the parlor, nor are we able to go to the parlor. This is a simple wax machine. You can just melt wax here. It looks so pretty, this color. I love this color. And along with it, you get something like this. Like this tablets. You have to just use it a little bit. I just opened it to see how it smells. The smell is not very good, but still you have to just use some of it and melt it, and then they give us sticks like this. We need to apply it with the help of this stick and then remove it. There is no paper or cloth along with it. It looks quite neat. I will try this out and give you a feedback soon. This is one thing. And another thing, it's very funny. This was given to me by my daughter for our marriage anniversary, which was a month back. We have started using this, but this is a lovely thing. It looks very big. This is a messenger. It has different what is this called, knobs to it. You can change it. It's very simple and it's quite nice. Both my husband, we have been fighting with each other that who has to message who every night, and it's quite nice, and there's no noise also. It's quite nice. There are different level of speed and it's quite good. Even in this holding it, although it looks very odd like a club, but it's quite easy. You can only do it at your back and other things. If no one is there, you can do it in your back. So this is quite good. This I have used it for the last 1 month and it's very useful. We really enjoy it. I recommended it to my daughter, so she also went and purchased it. She also saw it and she also went and purchased it. Now we have been sitting in the chair and working for hours together. This is so much needed for all of us. It is really a lovely gift my daughter gave. Yeah, another thing I bought which is really funny. I don't know why I bought it, but I bought it because I liked it very much. I have seen all of these people using it. In fact, when I'm opening it, I'm just thinking that I have lot of Amazon cartoons. You know, I'm thinking I will cover those with this and use it as organizer. What do you think of this? Please comment what do you think of this. This is a lovely Sanmaika color. I really like this color, and this I think so I will use it as a cover for those organizers that I will make with Amazon cartoons. And please don't mind my blue fingers. I have been trying to do some DIY with blue paint, acrylic paint, which is not going from my hand. I tried to remove it before I did this video, but it's not going. I don't know what to do. Let me try out using some oil or something, then I think so it will do. That is what for today. I thought that I have lot of things, but it finished so fast. Please comment and subscribe to my channel and like my thing. And if you want to know any of these things review, please do let me know. And I am giving Mamaearth double thumbs up because Mamaearth products are very good.